As Jesus sat at the Passover table with his disciples, Jewish tradition and customs would tell us that it was the third cup that Jesus had in his hand and said that this is the new covenant in my blood. Yet only hours later, as he hung on the cross, he would cry out words that says, "I thirst," to drink the last drink, the drink that represented the suffering and bitterness of that sour wine. He endured the bitterness of judgment so that you and I could taste the sweetness of his grace. So that today you and I can live out the promise of blessing for those who hunger and thirst for righteousness.